Receiving a diagnosis of Fragile X syndrome can be overwhelming. There is no right or wrong way to feel, and everyone reacts differently. Fragile X syndrome is the most common identifiable cause of inherited learning disability, present in 1 in 4,000 boys and men and 1 in 6,000 girls and women. Fragile X results from a change or mutation in the Fragile X messenger ribonucleoprotein 1, or FMR gene, which is found on the X chromosome. The gene normally makes a protein called FMRP that is important for creating and maintaining connections between cells in the brain and nervous system. The mutation causes the body to make very little or none of this protein, which often causes the symptoms of Fragile X. Fragile X syndrome causes a series of challenges which can include intellectual disabilities, speech and language difficulties, sensory difficulties, and more. Individuals with Fragile X syndrome have fantastic strengths, such as a great sense of humor, long-term memory, tuned in to other people's emotions, good visual learners, and imitators. A Fragile X syndrome diagnosis is important for the whole family to get the support they need. There are Fragile X-associated conditions that can affect the carriers, such as Fragile X-associated tremor or ataxia syndrome and Fragile X-associated primary ovarian insufficiency. So, what to do after receiving a diagnosis? We at the Fragile X Society aim to provide support to families and those affected by Fragile X premutation-associated conditions. Please contact us if you have any questions about Fragile X syndrome, genetic testing, and advice.